Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Abestorm Smart Wi-Fi commercial dehumidifier that removes up to 190 pints of moisture daily. Perfect for large spaces, up to 2,600 square feet. Built with durable rotomolded polyethylene, this lightweight unit offers impact resistance while efficiently controlling humidity. You can control it remotely using the free Abestorm app that adjusts settings automatically to maintain your ideal moisture level. Featuring a built-in heavy-duty pump with a 14.7-foot drain height and 19.6-foot hose, it ensures effortless continuous drainage. The unit also includes an auto defrost function to keep running smoothly in cold environments down to 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Portability is easy with 2 large wheels and a sturdy handle, making it simple to move around job sites or basements. Plus, the MERV8 filter requires replacement only every 8 months, saving you time and hassle. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.